Hi, I'm Chris Guarnera, and today I'm going to reveal a significant shift happening in the drone industry. More businesses are establishing their own in-house drone programs instead of hiring contractors. This presents a unique opportunity for you to take advantage of it. As a drone instructor at the state-of-the-art Francis Tuttle Institute of Technology in Oklahoma City, where I'm filming at, I have a first-hand experience with the latest industry trends and technologies. Additionally, my extensive background in marketing has equipped me with the skills to help drone pilots and drone service providers like you succeed. In this video, I'll explain why businesses are moving towards in-house drone programs, the benefits of this approach, and how you can position yourself as a valuable trainer, consultant, or employee to help these businesses build their internal teams. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to capitalize on this industry shift. This shift is driven by several key factors that can greatly benefit companies. First, let's talk about cost efficiency. While hiring contractors for drone services can be convenient, it can also be expensive in the long run. By creating an in-house drone program, businesses can significantly reduce cost over time. Think about it. Instead of paying recurring fees to contractors, companies can make a one-time investment in drones and training, which pays them off over the years. Imagine a construction company that needs regular site inspections. Hiring a contractor for each inspection can add up quickly. However, with an in-house drone team, they only need to cover the initial cost of equipment and training, leading to substantial savings. Next, control and flexibility are major advantages of having an in-house drone program. When businesses manage their own drone operations, they have full control over scheduling and task execution. This means they can quickly respond to urgent needs without waiting for external contractors to be available. For example, a real estate firm can promptly capture aerial footage of the new properties whenever is needed without the delay of coordinating with an outside service. This flexibility can enhance their marketing efforts and client satisfaction. Something else to consider is data security and privacy, which are also crucial factors. Using external contractors, it involves sharing sensitive data, which can pose security risk. In-house programs ensure that all data captured by drones remains within the company, reducing the risk of data breaches and protecting proprietary information. To sum up, businesses are moving towards in-house drone programs for cost efficiency, better control and flexibility, and enhanced data security and privacy. These benefits make it a smart choice for companies looking to leverage drone technology effectively. Now that we've covered why businesses are making this shift, let's explore the benefits of establishing an in-house drone program in more detail. One major advantage is the ability to provide customized training and skill development. When a company has its own drone training team, it can tailor training programs to meet its specific needs. This means employees can develop specialized skills that are directly relevant to business operations. For instance, an agriculture business might train its drone operators in advanced techniques for crop monitoring and precision agriculture, ensuring that the team has the expertise needed to maximize yield and efficiency. Another benefit is seamless integration with existing operations. An in-house drone team can work closely with other departments, ensuring that drone operations are aligned with the company's overall goals and strategies. This integration enhances efficiency as well as productivity. A logistics company could use drones for inventory management, warehouse monitoring, delivery planning, seamlessly integrating all these activities with their existing supply chain operations. Having an in-house drone team also fosters enhanced innovation. When businesses have full control over their drone operations, they can experiment with new applications and techniques. This freedom to innovate can lead to the development of unique solutions that give the companies a competitive edge. In-house drone teams can also be more responsive and adaptable to changing needs. Businesses can quickly adjust their drone operations to meet the new demands or address unexpected challenges without the delay of coordinating with external contractors. For instance, my company helps roofing companies integrate drones into their workflow. The reason why is after a storm event, the roofers can immediately gather those assessments without any sort of costly delay. This ensures that they stay competitive and capture as much of the market as possible, as quick as possible. If you want to learn more about how Blue Falcon Aerial is innovating the roofing industry, make sure to check out my second channel, Roofing Innovators. I'll link that card above my head. Scalability is another key benefit. As the business grows, the in-house drone programs can scale accordingly. Companies can expand their drone fleet and train more operators as needed, ensuring that their drone capabilities keep pace with their evolving needs. For example, a company can start with a small drone team and gradually expand it as they implement additional techniques and grow in size. To sum up, establishing in-house drone programs offer customized training and skill development, seamless integration with existing operations, enhanced innovation, increased responsiveness and adaptability, and scalability. These benefits can significantly improve a company's efficiency, productivity, and give them a competitive edge. Now that we've explored the benefits of in-house drone programs, let's discuss how you, as a drone service provider, can help businesses build their internal teams and act as a trainer and a consultant. Businesses looking to establish their own in-house drone programs often need guidance and expertise to get started. This is where you can step in as a trainer and a consultant, providing valuable services that set them up for success. Start by offering assessment services, guide businesses on how to evaluate their needs and determine the scope of their drone program. Conduct a comprehensive assessment of their current operations and identify potential applications for drones. For instance, a manufacturing company might need drones for equipment inspection and inventory management. Your assessment can help them understand the benefits and outline a clear plan for implementation. Next, provide customized training programs to help businesses develop the necessary skills. Francis Tuttle has a phenomenal program, and we love partnering with companies to help them integrate drones into their businesses. Ensure that the training covers all essential aspects, from basic drone operations to advanced data analysis and application-specific techniques. For example, an energy company could benefit from training programs that focus on inspecting infrastructure like power lines and pipelines. Your training can equip their team with skills to perform these tasks safely and efficiently. You can also offer expert advice on selecting the appropriate drones and related equipment for their specific needs. Emphasize the importance of investing in quality hardware and software. Guide them through the process of choosing drones, cameras, sensors, and any necessary accessories. A real estate firm may need high-resolution cameras for detailed property imagery. You can help them choose the best equipment to meet their requirements and their budget. You can also assist businesses in creating a standard operating procedure, also known as an SOP, for consistent and safe drone operations. Provide templates and examples of key elements to include in SOPs, such as pre-flight checks, data management protocols, and emergency procedures. Then finally, help businesses roll out their in-house drone programs and establish monitoring processes. Suggest using metrics and key performance indicators, also known as KPIs, to track success and areas for improvement. Provide ongoing support to ensure their program runs smoothly and achieves its objectives. Now let's talk about marketing your services. Use your credentials and expertise to position yourself as an expert in the field. Share success stories and testimonials from previous clients to build credibility. Use social media, content marketing, and email campaigns to reach your potential clients. Create valuable content that educates businesses on the value of in-house drone programs and how you can help. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and collaborate with other businesses to expand your reach. Build a strong referral network to generate leads and opportunities. By offering assessment services, customized training programs, equipment acquisition advice, SOP development, and implementation support, you can position yourself as a valuable trainer and consultant. This not only helps businesses establish their in-house drone programs, but also opens up new opportunities for you as a drone service provider. Next, we'll talk about how you can become a full-time drone pilot for companies who are actually building their in-house teams. As businesses establish their own in-house drone programs, they often need skilled drone pilots to operate and manage these programs. This creates a fantastic opportunity for you to get employed by these companies as a full-time drone pilot. The first thing you want to do is highlight your skills in training. Showcase the skills and certifications you've obtained, especially those from recognized institutions like, for instance, Tuttle. Emphasize your proficiency in various drone applications and technologies. Having a strong educational background and relevant experience can make you a strong candidate. Highlight any specialized training you have, such as advanced aerial mapping, inspection techniques, or drone-based data analysis. Mention any certifications or courses you've completed that are relevant to the industry that you're targeting. We also partner with businesses who want to hire drone pilots to hire our students after completion of our programs. Next up, make sure to network with businesses. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with companies looking to build and in-house drone teams. Platforms like LinkedIn to network with industry professionals and hiring managers is a great way to get started. Building a strong network can lead to job opportunities and referrals. Make sure to tailor your resume and portfolio accordingly. Create a professional resume highlighting your experience, skills, and certifications. Develop a portfolio showcasing your drone projects, including high-quality images and videos. Your portfolio should demonstrate your ability to handle various drone operations and deliver exceptional results. Next, apply for positions. Look for job openings at companies that are establishing in-house drone programs. Apply to positions that match your skills and experience, and be prepared to demonstrate your capabilities during interviews. Tailor your application to show that you can meet the specific needs of a company. We are still in the infancy of companies integrating drones into their businesses. You can go out there and establish yourself as an expert for these companies and have tremendous growth opportunity given how early we are in the adoption curve. And always leverage training opportunities. I do teach classes at Francis Tuttle to equip students with the specific skills to secure jobs in specific sectors of the industry. For example, I have a class where I teach drone pilots how to work for surveyors. I teach drone pilots how to work in telecom, and I have a class where I teach drone pilots to work in the construction industry. These are the first 3 classes that we have, and there are many, many, many more planned. We also partner with companies who are building their own drone programs, so you have the opportunity to get hired on with them after completion of our courses. Now, no matter what experiences or education you have, you still have to go out there and market yourself. Go out there and highlight your expertise. Use your credentials and experience to position yourself as an expert in the field. Share success stories and testimonials from previous clients or employers to build your credibility. Make sure to leverage your digital marketing. Use social media, content marketing, and email campaigns to promote yourself as a skilled drone pilot. Create valuable content that demonstrates your expertise and knowledge. Also, network and build partnerships. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and collaborate with other professionals to expand your reach. Build a strong referral network to generate the best job opportunities possible. By highlighting your skills in training, networking with businesses, tailor your resume and portfolio, applying for positions, and leveraging training opportunities, you can position yourself as a valuable candidate for companies looking to build their own in-house drone teams. This not only helps you secure employment, but also contributes to the growth and success of the businesses you work with. The shift towards in-house drone programs offers numerous benefits for businesses, including cost efficiency, control, flexibility, data security, and enhanced innovation. As a drone service provider, you can position yourself as a valuable trainer, consultant, or even a full-time drone pilot by offering assessment services, customized training programs, equipment acquisition advice, SOPs, and implementation support. If you want to further enhance your skills and connect with other drone pilots, I highly encourage you to join our free school page. It's a vibrant community where drone pilots share knowledge, teach each other with different skills, and explore various applications in the drone world. We also offer marketing classes and much more. Plus, I host live question and answer sessions there, providing you with direct expert access. The link to join our free school page is in the description below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to become part of a supportive and educational community. If you found this video helpful, give me a like and watch this video where I share with you the skills the Army taught me that made me a better drone pilot and business owner. See you there.